Have you ever wondered if Mars holds secrets that could change everything we know about the universe? What astonishing discoveries lie beneath its dusty surface? Is it possible that Mars once harbored life, or might it even be habitable in the future? Join us as we explore 10 incredible discoveries on Mars that will absolutely blow your mind, from water flow to sulfur crystals and beyond. Join us in uncovering these mind-blowing facts and stay tuned until the end. You won't want to miss any of these game-changing revelations. Flowing water on Mars. In 2015, NASA confirmed one of the most significant discoveries on Mars, evidence of flowing liquid water. While Mars was once thought to be completely dry, data from the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, or MRO, showed signs of hydrated salts in specific regions, revealing that briny water occasionally flows down Martian slopes. This discovery is game-changing as liquid water is a vital ingredient for life. The presence of water raises the possibility of microbial life existing in the planet's distant past, or even today, beneath the surface. Water not only points to life but also potential human habitation. If we can access and use this resource, Mars could one day host humans. NASA continues to investigate these findings, probing deeper into the mysteries of water on Mars, as this development offers hope for both understanding Mars's history and planning future colonization efforts. The discovery, while still under exploration, has revolutionized our perception of the red planet and opened doors to future possibilities. Sulfur crystals on Mars. One of the most surprising finds on Mars comes from NASA's Curiosity rover, which uncovered vibrant yellow sulfur crystals on the Martian surface. These crystals form in areas where volcanic activity once took place, providing scientists with clues about Mars's geological history. This strange material indicates that Mars had a more volcanic and active past than previously thought, with the sulfur crystals forming in acidic environments, a condition not so different from Earth's hot springs. The significance of this discovery goes beyond just geology. On Earth, sulfur-rich environments often harbor microbial life, making it a potential clue about ancient Martian life. Could microbial life have existed alongside these sulfuric deposits? While no direct evidence has been found yet, researchers are excited about these developments as they continue searching for signs of life on Mars. These sulfur crystals are a vibrant reminder of how little we know about our planetary neighbor's fascinating and colorful past. Mars dust storms. Mars experiences some of the most intense and prolonged dust storms in the solar system. These massive storms can cover the entire planet, obscuring it from view and even cutting off communication with Mars rovers. Unlike Earth, Mars' thin atmosphere cannot hold moisture, resulting in dust storms that can last for weeks or even months. The dust, composed of fine particles, can lift thousands of meters into the atmosphere, turning Mars' already red surface into an even more striking landscape of dust clouds. These storms may seem dangerous, but they also provide valuable information about Martian weather patterns and its atmosphere. Observing these dust storms helps scientists understand more about the planet's seasonal changes and climate history. Future missions to Mars will need to consider the intensity and frequency of these storms as they plan human exploration. The unpredictability of Mars's weather remains a significant challenge for researchers, as these storms could disrupt future missions and human activities. The Gale crater and Mount Sharp. Curiosity rover has been exploring the massive Gale crater, a depression roughly 154 kilometers wide. At its center lies Mount Sharp, a towering 5.5-kilometer high mountain that contains layers of sedimentary rock believed to hold billions of years of Martian history. The layers of Mount Sharp represent different geological periods, offering scientists a window into Mars's ancient environment, which may have included lakes and rivers. One of the most exciting revelations from the crater is that Curiosity has found organic molecules in the soil, one of the building blocks of life. These findings suggest that Mars had all the necessary ingredients for life, though there is no confirmation that life ever arose. As the rover continues to climb Mount Sharp, scientists hope it will uncover more clues about the planet's wetter, possibly habitable past. This region is a literal time capsule that continues to shed light on the red planet's ancient mysteries. Organic molecules found. In 2018, NASA announced another major breakthrough. Curiosity rover discovered complex organic molecules in Martian soil. Organic molecules are carbon-based compounds that are essential for life as we know it. While this doesn't confirm life existed, it shows that the building blocks for life were present on Mars billions of years ago. This thrilling discovery further supports the hypothesis that Mars might have supported microbial life at some point in its history. The discovery of organic material in the ancient Martian rocks suggests that Mars was potentially habitable in the distant past. Scientists believe that this material could be remnants of biological activity, though no clear evidence points to living organisms. Researchers are now analyzing these organic compounds to understand whether they originated from life or non-biological processes. Either way, this discovery continues to tantalize scientists with the possibilities of what might lie hidden within Mars's soil. Evidence of ancient lakes. In the distant past, Mars was home to massive lakes, rivers, and even seas. Thanks to satellite imagery and rover explorations, scientists now have evidence that liquid water once flowed across the Martian surface. The Gale crater, for example, shows signs of having hosted a large lake that could have supported microbial life. Ancient river valleys and delta formations found on Mars reveal that the planet was not always the dry and barren desert we see today. Understanding the history of water on Mars is crucial for future missions aimed at discovering signs of past life. These ancient lakes may have been hospitable environments where life could have flourished, offering us clues about how life began on Earth. The presence of water makes Mars one of the most intriguing locations for astrobiological research, as it hints at the possibility of life having once existed on this now desolate planet. Methane on Mars. One of the most debated discoveries on Mars is the detection of methane gas. In 2003, researchers first detected methane in the Martian atmosphere. The reason this is so important is that methane on Earth is largely produced by biological activity, meaning life. While non-biological processes could also create methane, its presence on Mars has fueled speculation about the possibility of microbial life. Methane concentrations appear to fluctuate seasonally, which only deepens the mystery. What's causing these emissions? Some scientists speculate that methane could be trapped beneath the surface and released during temperature changes. Others are looking into whether it could be a sign of active geology or even life underground. Either way, the presence of methane has sparked continued interest in Mars's potential for life. Future missions aim to explore this further and uncover the source of this intriguing gas. Mars frozen polar ice caps. The poles of Mars hold vast reservoirs of water ice. These polar ice caps expand and contract with the seasons, much like Earth's polar regions. The northern ice cap, Planum boreum, and the southern cap, Planum australe, are made up of frozen water and carbon dioxide. During the Martian summer, the caps can shrink, releasing gases into the atmosphere, which affects the planet's climate and weather patterns. The discovery of these ice caps has implications for both life and future human exploration. Water is essential for sustaining life, and if we can find accessible water on Mars, it could be used by astronauts for drinking and even fuel production. The presence of ice shows that while Mars may seem barren, it has crucial resources that could support both robotic and human missions. The frozen poles of Mars are not just fascinating but essential to future exploration. The Mars Quakes. In 2019, NASA's InSight mission made the groundbreaking discovery of Mars Quakes, or seismic activity on Mars. Until recently, Mars was thought to be geologically inactive, but InSight's seismometer has recorded numerous tremors, providing evidence that the planet's crust is still moving. These quakes are less intense than earthquakes, but offer valuable insights into Mars's internal structure. Studying Mars quakes helps scientists understand the planet's interior, which includes its crust, mantle, and core. This seismic activity suggests that Mars is not a dead world, but still undergoes internal changes. These findings are crucial as they could help explain how Mars evolved over time and what processes might still be occurring beneath its surface. The discovery of Mars quakes has transformed our understanding of the red planet and continues to reveal hidden mysteries about its dynamic interior. The Perseverance rover and Jezioro crater. NASA's Perseverance rover landed in Jezioro crater in 2021, and its mission has already made incredible discoveries. The Jezioro crater once housed a lake, making it one of the most promising locations for searching for signs of past life. Perseverance is equipped with advanced tools to analyze soil, rock, and atmospheric samples, looking for biosignatures that might indicate ancient microbial life. One of Perseverance's biggest tasks is to collect samples for future missions to bring back to Earth. These samples could provide definitive proof of whether life ever existed on Mars. The rover's mission also includes studying the planet's climate and geology, preparing for future human exploration. Perseverance's mission represents the next step in understanding Mars' history, and the Jezioro crater might just hold the answers we've been searching for about life beyond Earth. As we conclude our journey through these incredible Martian discoveries, it's clear that Mars is full of surprises. From methane gas to Mars quakes and frozen polar caps, the red planet holds many secrets still waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.